26th of April and 7th of May, 2 days of elections in Karnataka, and you have students, first-time voters of BMS College who are setting up this grand act to create awareness and push many of the first-time voters to come out and vote. I'm going to try and catch the mood here at the BMS Engineering College, one of the popular, stellar institutions in the city. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, go!
I wanna say, oh, I wanna vote. Machi ready now? Machi ready now? Machi ready now? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Why will you vote? Why will you vote?
Because I'm a responsible citizen of this country, it's my right to vote.
It is your right to vote. Why will you vote?
Better India, better India.
Better India.
Make India better, and I'm a responsible citizen, so I have to vote.
Why will you vote? Come on. Why will you vote?
It's my basic right and duty, so yeah.
Awesome. Go on. I think that was the look of one of those newcomers who says, I don't know why I should vote, but I guess I should, or maybe not, sit at home and chill. But the BMS College here, super energy. Students here coming together for one of their festivals. I got them at the right time. More views. Why will you vote this time?
I'll vote for a better India.
For better India. Well, it's lovely to see the students here really encouraging each other to come out and cast their vote for the country. It's a clear understanding here that students of Karnataka, Bengaluru particularly, know very well that this election is to strengthen India. And you have it. All the placards there that they're holding to encourage voting on the 26th of April and the 7th of May in Kannada and English. I love this. This is my favorite poster here. Be like goat, cast your vote. What does that mean? What? Why?
Cast your vote and...
Be like a goat. Okay. Why would you vote this time?
I have turned 18 last year. I got my voter ID.
You look 99.
Is that a compliment?
I'm just joking, buddy. I just turned 18. Yeah. So what's your reason to vote?
Reason to vote because I want a better future.
Okay.
Good.
How do you envision India?
50 years down the line, it shouldn't be a developing country. There should be any changes. So
Okay.
that's the reason.
It should move above being a developing country. There you have it. Posters here. Why will you vote this time? No. This. A lot of them are a little confused on why they'll vote. Why will you vote?
Because my friend's voting.
No, really? Is that peer pressure?
Hey, because of you, no.
I'm voting to save democracy.
Hey, why are you voting, man?
To save democracy.
That's all, no?
Yes.
Nothing more, no? Tell the same thing to him.
Democracy.
Democracy it is. Alright. Why will you vote, buddy? Why will you vote?
Yeah, because we need to push the country forward by selecting the right candidates.
Okay, select the right candidates. You'll vote for?
Choose the government of my choice.
Choose the government of my choice. Why will you vote this time?
It's our rights.
It's your rights. But how would you want the country to change?
It's already changing because of Modi.
Okay, so you're enjoying the change.
Yeah.
Alright. Why would you vote?
I'll vote for the empowerment.
Okay, empowerment. Why would you vote? Why would you vote? Oh, why would you vote?
We really need to get a better democratic leaders and work for the economy and education of the
Okay,
country.
better democratic leaders to work for education and economy. Why would you vote?
I want to vote for our betterment in the future so that we will get our government and work for us.
Okay, our government and work for us. They're not working for you now?
They are, but more.
Okay. Alright guys, will you all vote? Yes, no? Come on, a little bit of cheer. Yeah? Why would you vote?
I don't know, for the right leader.
Oh, no. Right leader. Haven't you found one of your choice yet?
I have.
You have. Okay. Okay. There you have it. This is a lovely university here, college that's brimming with energy. Most of them wanting to exercise their franchise. A lot of them first-time voters. We're wishing them all the very best. Go out there and vote with camera person Shiv Murthy, Nabila Jamal for India Today, Bengaluru.